Okay, so this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, if I draw a line down like that, there's a right angle triangle there. And recall, half of an equilateral triangle, if this is 2, 1, root 3 ratio, okay, from Pythagorean theorem. So if this is 12, all of this must be 6, right? And then if this is y, this is 2y, so 3y, right? 3y is equal to 6, okay? Just to clarify, this is double of this because these two are equal, but that's cut in half. So it must be, this portion here must be half of that. Okay, so y is equal to 2. So we just found that to be 2. And this height is 6, right? It's 1 to root 3 ratio, right? So to go from here to here, it times up by root 3. So if you times up by root 3, the height is 6 root 3. So now in this right angle triangle, we have, right, all the information we need except for x. So you can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for x. Like that, okay. You can factor out of 4, 1 plus 9 times 3, right? 3, so x, if you square root both sides, you get square root that, you get 2. 27 square root of 28. That's another 4 times 7. So 2 times root 7. 4 root 7. So I think in the multiple choice it's B.